Today we're going to be looking at Black Friday deals for diamond painting. I have been diamond painting for probably 4-ish years now, and Black Friday, hands down, is probably the best time of year to score deals on diamond painting. So if you're shopping on a budget, Black Friday is where you can go all out, or whatever your budget allows you to do. The Black Friday deals I'm going to share in this video aren't going to be all the existing Black Friday deals because it is Monday the 25th as I'm filming this. I'll probably upload this tomorrow. So not all shops have announced their Black Friday deals, and I don't follow all shops on social media. So don't consider this like the comprehensive guide to Black Friday deals for diamond painting. It's basically what I'm going to be paying attention to on Black Friday. If you know any sales that weren't included in this video, feel free to drop them down below. Let's support our small shops during this holiday season. I'm going to be adding chapters to this video, so little indicators on the timeline below. So if you want to skip to certain shops, you can, to see what's on sale on Black Friday. In addition to diamond painting kits in general, I'm also going to include a couple diamond painting accessory stores that I follow on social that you might want to check out. And again, if you have any deals that I missed in this video, feel free to comment them down below. Let's get into it. So first off, let's look at what Enablers Outpost is doing. Enablers Outpost is a very small diamond painting company owned by two people, Elizabeth and Edward, and this year they're celebrating Black Friday and Small Business Saturday by having a sale of all pens, which are going to be 20% off, all diamond painting kits 25% off, and the discount will be automatically approved at checkout starting Friday the 29th through December 1st. So if we look in their Facebook group, we can see some of the pens that they will be listing on Friday, which is Black Friday. There's going to be a lot of them, 54 hand-turned pens, and I cannot say good enough things about their pens. Their pens are my favorite. They offer a variety of shapes and sizes, but my favorite are their thick pens because, I don't know, I just feel comfortable holding their pens and diamond painting with them. These are really the only pens that I use when I diamond paint on a regular basis. Also in their Facebook group, they mentioned that they will have 10 brand new and re-released diamond painting images ready for release at midnight, 12 a.m. Eastern on Thursday, November 28th, Friday, November 29th. So here are going to be some of the images that they will be releasing. I'm not going to read all of the information. I encourage you to join the Enablers Outpost Facebook group to see these previews. More pens. Oh, this whale one is really cute. Okay. This turtle one is so adorable. Okay. Oh my goodness. I love this. Sunflowers are literally my favorite flower. So that's cool to see. More releases. And I'm not sure if I've included all of the releases. So you'll just have to join the Facebook group to see everything. Another shop that I'm super excited about for Black Friday is Jaded Gem Shop. So if you have followed me or subscribed to my channel for a while now, you know that the majority of the kits I do work on are from Jaded Gem Shop. I talked to Jade earlier today, and although she hasn't announced it yet, I'm approved to say that the sale will include a buy one, get one 60% off on pixel charted hand rendered kits, and then 25% off the general kits or the hybrid renders. And there's going to be sales, like she's going to be changing up the sales probably every day over the long weekend. So make sure you follow the Jaded Gem Shop Facebook and Instagram accounts. And pro tip, if you aren't subscribed to her emails yet, which you can do here if you haven't already, she sometimes will add in gift card codes to the emails. So the person who has the quickest fingers will be able to use that gift card code. I have seen people in the Facebook group, which is All Things Jaded Gem Shop on Facebook. I've seen people post in there that they were quick enough to get to use it, and also I've seen other people mention on other social media platforms that they were able to use it too. You just have to be really quick. Munimade has already actually announced their Black Friday sale. From now, like today, until Sunday, December 1st, you can enjoy $30 off your order when you spend $100 or more on diamond paintings, and the code is holiday sale. Here are all of the Munimade diamond painting kits that are available as of today. There's some gorgeous ones. These are gorgeous. So cute. Okay, so make sure you check out Munimade at munimade.com. Go follow them on Instagram I believe they also post on Facebook if you are a Facebook person. But you can check them out. Again, their sale is going to be $30 off when you spend $100 or more on diamond painting canvases. Oraloa has also announced their Black Friday deals, so you can enjoy an extra 20% off on the entire Black Friday section on their website, and it says new deals every day, and here's the code. So it looks like you'll be getting an additional 20% off these prices. So make sure if you are buying from the Black Friday section, you do enter in that code OMystery. And they also have a mystery box Black Friday special. On the Oraloa Facebook group, it doesn't really say anything additional on what's inside of the mystery box, but it basically just says a brand new category, which we looked at, with new daily offers to brighten up your week. So it looks like you'll want to stay tuned to this page of the Oraloa website. It doesn't even say like, okay, you get X amount of diamond paintings or anything like that. I'm very curious. I've never bought a Black Friday mystery box or a mystery box from Oraloa just in general. So I'm very curious to see what will be included. Dotz has already announced their Black Friday sale. It's a Black Friday mega sale. Deep discounts on thousands of Diamond Dotz products, up to 70% off almost site-wide. So let's take a look at some of the kits that are, or of some of the products that are up to 70% off. Oh, this one's cute. Okay. So some of their licensed ones, squares, pre-framed dots. So basically, it looks like it's going to be, some of the stuff is actually really well priced. So I'm in Canada. I can't say for sure if the price being displayed that you see on the screen is actually Canadian or US. But make sure you check out Diamond Dotz if you are a fan of them. And they also sell Diamond Dotz at Michael's. So I'm curious to see if Michael's will also have a sale on their diamond painting kits. If you are on the hunt for more accessories versus diamond paintings, Shire Shenanigans looks like it has you covered. They have some really, really adorable wooden cover minders. So super cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the Thanksgiving one is so adorable. Anyways, okay, so check them out. Their sale is on now until December 3rd. The entire shop is 15% off when you spend $20. The code is Cyber2024 in case the deal doesn't pop up at checkout. But make sure you check them out. They also have amigurumi, like super cute crochet goodies as well. And the price being displayed on your screen right now is Canadian because I am Canadian. So the pricing will be different for you US folks. But these are so adorable. So make sure you check out Shire Shenanigans. That is on Etsy. And I'll have all the links in the description box below for you. I personally don't pay a lot of attention to Dreamer Designs. I haven't ordered them from them in a hot minute. But it does look like they will be launching some new kits on Black Friday. So you can check out their Facebook page where it looks like they'll be posting them. There's not a whole lot of information about what they are going to be doing for their sale, but it looks like they're just going to be doing a number of kits. So if you are interested in Dreamer Designs, go follow them on Facebook or I believe on Instagram, and you can get more information about what they're doing for Black Friday and check out their releases. Another great shop that will be celebrating Black Friday is Randa's Crafty Corner. So they will be having a 20% off starting on Thanksgiving through Cyber Monday. And Randa's Crafty Corner has a bunch of really cool diamond painting accessories such as wax. And I'm a big fan of Randa's Crafty Corner's putty. Their putty is like so great. It smells delicious and the consistency is great for diamond painting. But make sure you check them out for a variety of different cover minders, wax, putty, like I said. And it will be 20% off until I believe Cyber Monday. Yes, Cyber Monday. This would not be a diamond painting Black Friday video without including Diamond Art Club. Everyone is always wondering what Diamond Art Club is going to be doing for Black Friday. So here it is. They've announced on their Facebook page they're going to have 100 new designs being released at a discount for you. And I enjoy the Diamond Art Club Black Friday sales. But it says mark your calendars, November 29th, 7 a.m. Pacific time, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Diamond members will get early access. And so they'll be releasing on Instagram and Facebook some of the new releases. So there's going to be 100 of them. I can't imagine like scheduling these posts out to be published, like over 100 posts. That's crazy. So I'm just going to show you what's been announced as of right now, which is November 25th. So I encourage you again to follow Diamond Art Club's Facebook page and also their Instagram if you are on Instagram, because I'm guessing they're going to be releasing, if they're releasing 100 new diamond paintings, they're going to be releasing them on a consistent daily basis up until Black Friday. So make sure you give them a follow. And also, I'm not sure if it's going to be done this year again, but last year, Katie, Diamonds and Washi, and I believe Emeralds and Fairy Lights, Lindsay was also involved. They did a countdown to Black Friday sales, so make sure you check out their channels as well on YouTube, which I'll have linked down below if I remember. Which sales are you most excited for? Let me know down below. Which ones are you most looking forward to? I want to know everything. And again, if I missed any in this video, feel free to comment them down below. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, I post diamond painting videos basically whenever I want to. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's over here somewhere. Subscribe over here and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new videos. If there's any specific types of diamond painting videos you want to see on my channel, let me know in the comments down below as well. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Black Friday, American Thanksgiving season. Thanks. Bye.